dear viewers, welcome back to Horilla. In this video, let's discuss about the open jobs which you can find inside the recruitment module of Horilla. So here is the open jobs and I'm just clicking on that. This basically will take you to the open job listings. Okay, so currently we have two open recruitments, which is the recruitment drive and the future force recruitment. So you can either apply from here, okay, or just take the link and apply. So from this open job listing, you can actually find the positions to which they are hiring, the name of the recruitment, and the capacity and the count of people who have applied for the job. Similarly, here in the future force recruitment, you can see the position for which they are hiring, which is salesman. Okay, and the capacity is 10, but currently only 5 have applied. So I'm just clicking on this details over here. So which will show you the details of the recruitment. So you can see future force recruitment. We are looking for a motivated and dynamic salesman to join our team. So such a description for each recruitment can be viewed here. That is, if you specify a recruitment description, that can be seen here. And here you can see the salesman, that is the job position which is available. After viewing the details, you can apply from there. So I've clicked on apply and this is the application form. Okay. So here you have to specify the details of the applicant. Here you have to specify the name of the person. So the name I'm giving it as John. Okay. The job position which the recruitment contains is the salesman. So I'm putting the email of the person. Okay. So here you have an email. Specify a phone number and you can choose the resume from here. So I'm choosing the resume. And then you have the option to choose the gender, the address of the person. So I'm choosing the address here. The country to which that person belongs to should be chosen from here. So I've chosen Switzerland, and the state, and then you can choose the city. And also you have to specify the zip code of the person. So once you have chosen all of these things, you have to set a profile picture. So click on this and here you have the photo. I'm just opening this and this photo will be taken as the profile picture of the person. So here also you can see the description. Okay, this will be the job description. Once you're done with it, simply click on apply. Okay, so after you applied, you can see registration success. Okay, so the registration will be done from here. So if any survey questions and all are being prepared or are set for a particular requirement, after you register, that survey question will be here. So we've done a detailed video on the feature survey. So you can refer to that video. Okay. So this is how you can manage the application form as well as the open jobs. Okay. So the open jobs will be found under the menu called open jobs. And once you apply through an open job. Okay. Once you click on the details of an open job and from there you apply for a job, you can directly go to the application form, and that's how the application form structure looks like. Once you're done, you can apply and your registration will be success. So this is how you can easily manage the open job as well as application form in Horilla.